Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yeah, I know the market is gonna open in 10 seconds, so just watch out there for the opening. And yeah, it's a beautiful Friday. Supposed to be triple witching day. Marie put some confusion on my head, but I would make sure I check that out.
Just to check that out.
Yeah, triple witching day is a big volatility day, so I don't have my glasses. Oh, what are my glasses? I can see. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry, I go for them later. I don't need them right now, so just let's do this. All right, so let's see how we do today. We are pumping here on Nvidia. We had the overnight position that is looking just as good as the Friday. So, Mary, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, Davey, and you? It's Friday.
Good, good, good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Que no pare la fiesta.
Mm-hmm.
Where was I listening to that? Okay, maybe. Right, so I'm looking at SPY, Marie. Do you have any perspective, long, short, anything
Long.
like that?
Long off the... Wow. Like we are talking strong market. At least 678, for sure 678.50. And you say, why? But why?
Oh, yeah. But let's see what he wants to do, so...
So tickers and tickets, very green.
So I'm gonna take a little partial there for the overnight position, so...
Good job. Okay, SPY's at 678. Jala jala.
It seems like if it's going to be a very bullish day, so... but... as I say in the past, like normally... I have a tendency to believe that the triple witching day is gonna be a little bit of the opposite than what we see at the open, though we are not seeing that right now. So I'm gonna take a quick look at something else. So let's see if that's correct. If today is effectively witching day or not.
It's a witching day. I'm just not sure.
If it is a witching, it is triple.
Okay. It's a witching.
When are the triple witching days for the market? '26, 25. So March 21, June 20, December 19, and September 19 and December 19.
So it's a triple.
It is triple witching day.
So you were right.
Ah, you think I don't know my tip? What are you trading?
INTC.
INTC long?
Mm-hmm.
Look at you, lady. Look at you. Que no pare la fiesta.
Okay, so
The way that the RSI have been building up in everything, when I say everything, everything I'm looking at, in the SPY, Nvidia, is it has a lot of juice to go way higher. So
okay,
I will take it easy. So right now for Nvidia, I need to make sure what is the top that I see here. For SPY, SPY is not top in my opinion yet. Though there is a level, like let's just make sure I say the level before. So the level I have on SPY right now is at 678.76. So SPY, yeah, I have the line right there already. So, and after that we go, if it's 678.76, it can move around here like erratically for a little bit. But then the next target is 680.69. And the same thing that yesterday, I don't want to believe, I don't want to think that it's not going to go there because it's looking like if it wants to go there. So I will just hold my long for Nvidia right now, and whatever happen will happen. So let's see.
okay. I'm gonna go check Nvidia, not Nvidia.
We have Oracle and Tesla, I see. Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon is trading on high volume. Holy crap, Amazon, what happened to you? Amazon. Let's go to the Amazon.
Yep, everybody's tape TV is bullish. But we will see. Amazon, except.
What?
Aye. What kind of news did we receive?
I just wanna see if Zach was around there. Zach might be sleeping yet. Haha. My guy.
That's true. He had a party.
Yeah, I hope he enjoy.
No doubt.
Yeah, ain't nobody the fiesta.
We've got a 10 a.m. number.
Yeah, let me check that. Just give me a minute.
Sure.
Let's just check the number. Yeah, we have at 10 o'clock existing home sales. So that number have been coming lower little by little, but like not crazy thing, you know. I don't think it's gonna affect it too much. It's a very
Yeah.
important number for sure.
It's an important number, but as well, are we getting the relevant number
I just know
with the
nothing.
closures
I know.
and
It's
right?
like, yeah, it's
And that's where like maybe other people are like me.
Did you
they
watch
say-
what the Fed did? The video I sent you.
And
That's why brain power is better than.
they what?
That's why brain power is over able to take over high school guy.
Oi! I wish I was a fly today.
Dumbass.
I'd be a fly on the wall following you today. uh,
Oh no, it's true. You think you know like that? Know you like that guy?
oh no 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 no! I
You
know.
think he's the last Coca-Cola in the desert and he's a dumbass like you know.
Like that last Coca-Cola. Okay, so the 678 on SPY, 678.20. We still have some strong position. It's respecting very well the VWAP at 677.42. So I really like what we're seeing here. But
Even Amazon is holding good that 100 or 200 moving
Mhm.
average. So now my throat is bugging me. CG.
you too, eh? Yes. We're all gonna get it.
I hope you're wrong, lady,
Damn,
because
me
we are going on
too.
vacations soon.
Me too. I hope I'm wrong. Man, that could be a good idea to take it easy. Okay, there goes SPY. Really crazy. What's happening?
You know what's happening. That you like ideally if you have a good trade. Or I don't know if you have maybe I don't have my binoculars so I cannot see what you're doing. So but like yeah.
Still going.
Like I was thinking about the gamma expansion things, and it's almost impossible to like the market is hard to predict, and it's even harder to predict when you go deeper. Like I mean, to have a good trade is something. That's not what I'm saying here. Like to have a good trade, yeah, we can have good trades here and there, but to predict it is kind of like you know when there is gamma expansion, what happened? This is so crazy, and it's counterintuitive and it's opposite correlated.
Okay.
Basically, in the witching day, if the overall population is too bearish in options, they will have a lot of puts and blah 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 and all those things. If they have been slightly right, the market maker have to buy a shit ton of shares just to be able to like
Balance.
yeah, to balance the sheet with the options liquidation cover, whatever. Like, so basically, like when if you have a put, like let's say you have one put in SPY and you are bearish on SPY, you say SPY need to go down and you have it from the freaking high. Like just if you are slightly right about it, let's say, and you are making even 1% of your money, for me, like as a market maker, let's say, to be able to absorb the risk you are taking, like because the risk you are paying for the option, you have a fixed risk. The other side of the option is me, the market maker. So for me to be covered with the put you have, I have to buy shares. What happened when I buy shares?
Kaboom!
So that's why it's hard to say like the market won't be able to go any higher because everybody's so bearish in option. Well, guess what? They have to buy a shit ton of shares to be able to cover what you guys are saying that is correct. You know? So how do you measure that precisely? How do you gauge that and say I have a healthy? And that's why you see, like for example, we had historical videos where we were looking at the triple witching day.
Okay.
You remember that? Henry?
Yeah.
Like the day that, yeah. So we record that thing. We were saying like, let's see how long it's gonna take for it to get there. And it went there, but like when he walk away from there, we are talking about $500 something for the spy.
Absolutely.
Like we never came back. Never came back. So
Yeah, well said. This is beautiful.
beautiful, beautiful. I know that you don't like me, but that's about to be okay. Because I really don't care what you think about my face. Just let me be. I'm sorry. It is Friday.
Ay!
It is Friday and it feels like.
Ay! Papi.
You wanna hit the thunder.
Ay, papi.
What?
Oh. It's a different morning, folks.
I haven't drink any coffee, so it's okay.
I am going to just leave
Let-
it there.
let me
It's
wake
a
up.
different morning. No bad, no good. Different.
Que maldito loco. Alright, so let's see what we do. Let's take another partial. Then, like that trade just kind of double on NVDA. Haha. So, just for the heck of it. There we go.
I like that. Chala, chala. Good job.
Jala jala. Why did you stay there? F3. There we go. By the way, yesterday was green. That's good.
Oh, good
Since
job.
Friday, I didn't have a green day.
Hey, you got a green day there.
Yesterday was green, and today might be green too. We will see.
I like that.
What the stories that you sing? This is Gloria. What's up?
Oh, hola. ¿Qué lo
Aló.
que?
Aló, ¿ça va?
¿Qué lo que, hombre?
¿Ça va?
Sí, estoy bien, ¿y tú?
Parlez-vous français?
No,
Parlez-vous l'italien?
no.
Okay, Pablito, don't you think that we should learn a couple of languages?
No.
Why would we do that?
Solamente.
This motherfucker
No,
know five and he couldn't solve his
hablo
problem.
inglés y español.
That's a very bad joke. But it's pretty good. It's like the guy know 5 languages and he go to a place that they don't speak any of the 5 languages, and the guy say, "Hey, Pablito, what do you think? Should we learn another language?" And the other guy say to the other, just with the face very relaxed, like, "Why the fuck will we learn another language? This guy know 5 and he couldn't solve his problem here." So,
That's a good one. Five. Okay, so where do you have your levels on SPY? I've got a really, really, really big position
the
at
problem,
680.10.
we have problems there, just problems, my friend. So,
Okay, ¿cuál es tu problema?
his
mi
SPY is
amigo?
above the level and he's holding the level and he's like,
Yeah, the level I had was
It is so bullish that I don't-
679.20.
yeah, but like mine, like you see, like I say, oh, it can be a little bit messy at around the 678.70. Well, to remove the doubt like that, I just went like you see, crossing 2 candles.
See, me, they're reacting. It's the levels I had. So I had 675, 677.42, 678.20,
Yeah, like
and now it's 679.20.
yeah, now I need to go 680.70 at least. See,
Okay, so I've got 680.10.
yeah, but like yeah,
That's your beginning of your range, right?
680. I don't have 680.10, but like yeah, I do not have 680.10.
Okay.
So, but like for example, before we get into trouble, it will be 680.70, and if it does across 680.70, then it have way less resistance.
Okay.
So all-time high, probably, you know. I don't want to jinx it, but like there is a probability for that. But that will happen at the end of the day, I guess.
You think?
If it happen, it will happen at the end of the day, assuming that the option liquidation is around 3:30.
Okay.
So like like people get ready for it, and that's why you see like this move.
Mm-hmm.
It's just the front running of it. So
Ole canole.
the real move comes after the 3 p.m. in power hours. So
The power hour.
that's how it's
I know,
called. you
yeah, I
know?
know. But I can't believe when you're looking at the market how much it moves, and we have a VIX almost like a incredible low, right?
Well, it's a new normal, you know? I'm sorry to say that, but it's like they are gauging that in the scale that we are actually as an average, you know? Like normalizing the conflicts. Ay, ay, ay.
But this is nuts.
No, yeah, I am with you on that one. It's just like a
Super low VIX, and we've got
so I say 87. Yeah, I have the level already there, so. So I have nothing to do right now, just to look at those things.
okay.
Hey, but I did learn my lesson, I think.
Of
I didn't say this because of it's irrelevant. I was having trouble. Like I was taking really bad trades, and like I was having like since Friday red, as I say. And I say this makes no sense. Where is the market going to take a turn? And though I never say it, I was able to spot that. Like if you see, this is the alpha level, and it's exactly from where it reversed. So like as I say, you think you know anything, like in my case, and like you start taking trades like, oh, it's a good entry, it will work, and it's not a real good entry. You are lying to yourself, like myself. So just like to wait for good prices is the right thing to do. So if you cannot stay without a trade because you need to take it, like you are wrong, my guy. You know, it's just like you're gonna pay
That's
the
a
price
good,
for that.
right?
I think it's healthy too. Like, for example, like I'm like what it does when you have those data is that like now even my swing trade, you see I took Google like and I am taking heat on Google and I am losing money on Google like somewhere Google somewhere around there. So and like now I know when I want to take my swing trade. I shouldn't take the trade on Google, but like
You should have, well, you could have taken it there, but
I still have a good price, but it was easier to determine that you can wait probably one more week
okay.
and like but
You think so?
oh,
It was, yeah.
but like
Okay.
I did when I took
Yeah,
the trade, I
you've
didn't
got
know what
better.
I know about that specific thing right now.
Okay.
And it's
okay.
basically like
Hindsight.
yeah, it's like well, exactly like what I'm saying. I didn't know. I learned it this week. Like,
Okay.
Because like it's like for example, like people like in the long term, you're gonna have like green streaks and you're gonna do very good, and then you're gonna change something without knowing, or the market will change, and you're gonna do poorly. And the difference between the first time when you did that, like when you did the adjustment that got you back to be green, and the difference after you are a well experienced trader, you are still susceptible to the same situation, but you will address it differently. It's like if you are a mechanic, a car mechanic, let's say, when the car is making a X noise, you know by where you want to start looking at. So in the beginning, like we say, oh, but I was doing like many green days and I didn't know why. Like I mean, I didn't know why it switched and now I'm red every day. But then when you have enough information, you say, if I want to get the ball by the horn, what should I be looking at this time? And like, and basically by saying that, like I just got out of the trade on what did I trade before Google?
Tesla.
I got out of it was Tesla. So I got out of the trade of Tesla, like and I still got a good price in my opinion, but I rushed to get into the trade because I didn't evaluate overall market conditions.
Okay.
And that's what I say. Like let's say you sell like when I sell Google now, what I want to do, I want to go and look where the indexes are located. Are they in an extended period from the alpha level or are they close to? The difference is if they are close to the alpha level and you are right, you're gonna get your money in 1 week or two.
Yeah, exactly. Very
If it is
quickly.
extended, like now for example, I have to wait for another expansion. So basically,
For the
my
whole
price is already
thing
extended.
to move. Yeah.
once it step up again, is that I'm gonna be able to get out of that trade. Instead of let's wait for it to be retraction.
It needs to expand out of the levels
Out of
we've
the
got.
levels, yeah, exactly.
Out of the market levels that we are dealing with.
So yeah.
So thank you for.
It's a weird thing, but
Yeah, but it's really good information, and I believe that our listeners are going to appreciate
yeah,
you
at some point
sharing
it's,
that
yeah, for sure. It's,
with us.
it's,
I do.
merci. No, thank you for like because we find out any information like Marie knows this like when I was trading alone I wasn't able to advance too fast, so since she came on board and made questions that are very annoying, we advance way faster. Or we learn more.
Hey, you know what? At least it's learning experience. If you're annoyed with learning, you cannot get better than that. Oh, I wish I was a fly on the wall today.
Why?
Oh, it's going to be special.
Special.
Yep. It's going to be special. Oh, there's numbers.
Yeah, in 20 seconds. Then open that. Let me open that. So I'm gonna use the pullback to add to NVDA.
Okay, it's slower.
People cannot buy Christmas gift and houses at the same time, no? Thank you. All right, yeah, there we go. Look at my 687. This is freaking nice NVDA. $679.72. Okay, $679.72.
So did you hear about TikTok?
No, what happened with TikTok?
It's going to be purchased partially by Oracle.
Oh, that's good. I guess it's good. I don't know. So if you see I'm adding to NVIDIA did a very nice stuff here. So that level that I'm gonna add right now on NVIDIA will become a level of, well, will become. It's supposed to become a level of support. I'm trying to add to
So
NVIDIA.
it was a strong resistance before.
Yeah, and he marked it as a. I actually probably should be front run it by 1 cent. I won't front run it, it's okay. But maybe I won't get that order. I'm trying to get 179.72
Okay.
as a add. There we go. It's going there. 179.72. And the most interesting thing about it is that that's the high of the opening range. So it will be tested almost for sure. That's what I'm expecting.
Okay.
So in the test, I want to get more shares, and then willing to be out when you go higher. Higher. Yeah, it doesn't want to print 179.72 right now, but we are very clear here. I want 179.72 or I don't want it.
I'm doing the same right now for my INTC at 37.50 and saying, hey, I want the 37.50 or I don't want it. I'm wondering if the news at this moment, though it wasn't a big difference in the numbers, they were almost flat. But I'm wondering if that's making a little bit of a.
Oh yeah, it's less than 0.01.
Yeah, so it's pretty flat,
so
right?
It's pretty flat, the number, so it's good.
Yeah. I'm just checking the tape a little bit closer. It seems like things are still bullish at this moment. So we will see what's going on.
Come on, NVIDIA, give me that.
So NVIDIA, you're going to 180?
Yeah, there was a big seller at 180, but he haven't been able to print my price. But we're gonna print it. There we go. That's exactly what I want. Exactly the price I want. So if it works, it's gonna be good. If it doesn't work, it's gonna be good too, because I am just risking a little bit of my profit today there. So yeah, that's the level I'm expecting to be a level of support right now. So let's make it clear: 179.72. In my opinion, 179.72 needs to become a level of support at some point during the day, but hopefully from now, because in the morning we have a little bit more forces that we want to hold. So through the window, through the floor,
To the wall.
to the wall, yeah. Oh, honey, ta da 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 ta ta,
Shaka shaka.
ta da 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 ta ta.
You are my candy girl.
The tape is a little bit mixed on Nvidia, but due to the conditions today, I like that because I see that yes, it's being bought at a lower prices, but at the same time, it's like there is like a balance, you know. Right now, like there are buyers up to 181, and it's very likely to go to 181 right now. So
Okay.
we just have to be patient. Now we only need Mr. Trump to grab the mic and say something funky.
Oh, jeez.
Whoa.
Mm. So Nvidia seems to be flipping, Davey?
Toward the short?
Mm-hmm.
I kind of disagree yet
Okay.
because the offer is very, very healthy.
Okay.
So until I print 181 or a little bit closer to 181, I wouldn't say that.
Okay.
Yeah, like if you see, we have even 182, but like let's say on like here you see 181,
Okay.
1200s. So yeah. Whoa.
I'm gonna go check Spy.
Is those thunders or
It's-
a plane?
No, I believe that they're trying to, with all the rain, uncover all the manholes, like all the drains,
Mm-hmm.
because there's a lot of rain coming.
Okay. That to me is holding good enough for now. If Nvidia didn't want to hold that, it would go down right away. But like, it's an interest point
Right there.
or a point of interest, I would say.
A point of interest.
Yeah.
Correct. Oh,
Oh, good.
see. Because I put it in my reverse here.
Okay.
So I have to put it upside down. It doesn't hold as well.
Okay.
because when I have it here, I don't hear you as well.
Yeah. Naturally.
And it's. I value it as important to hear you.
Of course, lady. This guy that doesn't shut up.
No. So I like the RSI, what it's doing right now. It seems to be supporting, but there's definitely consolidation there at that level, like you said, Dave. Nvidia's pulling back. What a green map.
Yeah, I'm breaking even on that trade just because I have a better level toward the downside. But I think he won't get me. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna be breaking even as well. If it gets me out, I'll see if I want to reverse. There we go. This was good. It's like you've got a monster outside that wants to go in. So how's your
Nvidia doing good. It's pulling back yet, but I am breaking even with that trade. The beat got pulled out, so I don't think anybody will buy Nvidia until you get to the VWAP. But my average price is below the VWAP, that's why I'm holding.
okay? It really did well, eh, at that level? 679.20 again.
Yeah.
So CCL, wow.
Google is pumping well. CCL too.
Yeah, CCL at 31.
Is that a ticket?
So I'm
Oh my
gonna
god,
go.
that's looking good. I want to look if Amazon has any value right now for me. Let's see. We simulate a trade on Amazon with one of our friends. That was pretty cool stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. What is the tape on Amazon looking like? Let's see. It doesn't say much, that tape on Amazon. Yeah, to me the Amazon 226 might be a good buy. But it won't offer it, if I am right.
You gotta check the tape on Rivian.
Might be there. Whoa. I don't have Rivian on my thing, so let's see. Rivian. I see what you mean, but what are you looking at in there?
Well, that's a bullish tape.
Yes. Oh yeah. Holy crap.
Did you see that?
Rivian might squeeze. Watch out. Either direction if you have a long. Yeah, if you have a long, it might squeeze up quite a lot. I don't know toward where, but like it's looking good enough that the downside I see is kind of a lot too. Like there is a
21 for me.
Yeah, I have 1960
Okay.
as a downside, but the upside I have no parameter, so like man, Google is pumping today. There we go. So I'm gonna mute myself for a little bit. Then I'll be working on something else. But we're gonna be here, so if anything, just let me know. right, we are back. So SPY is pulling back quite a lot. I kind of don't know what to think about that. So I'm willing to be all out of this thing. Like Nvidia is supposed to be holding the VWAP, but it doesn't do it right now. So right now, oh, it is holding the VWAP. What? One of my charts is not right. Or is the 1 minute, or is the 5. And normally it is the 1 minute. So in the 5 it looks like that. There is a big discrepancy between the VWAP in the 1 minute and the VWAP in the 5.
Okay.
And that is not correct. That normally is not, and it shouldn't be like that.
Okay.
Yeah, like in the 1 minute, we are just touching the VWAP. But in the 5 minute, we are across down the VWAP. Like we are below the VWAP here. So it's it is very possible that it's because of the nature of the push at the open. But the 1 minute, in my opinion, is good enough because I can see holding here, no holding there. So I'm gonna assume, yeah, buy the penny bounce in the 1 minute. So I do not expect it to hold right away, but I should be able to survive.
Okay.
I took a little trade on Amazon, and I think I'm right there because if you see SPY went under pressure, and Amazon didn't went down that much right here, like it rejected the VWAP. I agree, but look at my price again.
Okay.
So I'm not expecting this to print 200, like 226, sorry. But if you print 226, I should be adding, though I won't be adding because like it's just like something's going on with Amazon today and we don't know what it is. So it's flushing a little bit more than the overall market. So no, looking at Amazon, it's funny. Whoa, whoa.
SPY again.
Zach is gonna be in the group now for the traders
Why?
because he's trading Top Step, and the guys are trading Top Step. So they say if you want to join us,
That's so sweet.
like that, they can give him feedback and things like that. Because I find out yesterday that the thing that happened with Top Step happen once every 2 months. Not as bad as yesterday, but it does happen. I say no, it's not that usual, but like that's why like I was talking to them. So guys, what happened? They're like, it's weird. They say no, it happened here and there. I say okay.
Well, we say that, but ours too, right? So
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm not criticizing whatever. It's just like I didn't know that it was.
no, that it was prevalent, right?
Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Trump is.
What did I say? We only need our guy to get the mic and say something funky. He's gonna come and pick it up. What he's saying? He's talking somewhere?
He's got an announcement at 1 p.m. And he's talking about insurance.
I need new insurance for my brand new building. Who want to insure my building for free? I will give you a lot of publicity. Nobody like you.
Well, not easy, right, for the constituents to go through what they're going through right now, and to see that big, beautiful ballroom draped in gold everywhere.
But they may have good insurance.
Did you hear what he's doing to the building? JFK? The Kennedy Center?
Ah, no, that one I don't know. I think you were talking about the ballroom.
The JFK, the Kennedy Center?
What he wants to do?
Donald J. Trump Kennedy Center. There's a little freak out about that.
Whoa, honey, don't dance like honey.
Okay, Spy.
Well, at least in history, the things are gonna change name twice in less than 10 years.
Yeah, believe me, they're gonna go back to where
Of
they
course,
were.
I know that. Those are my expectations. It's like,
Well said. These are would-be normal expectations, but
it's Friday, Marie. Let's keep it light. Right, so
I love it. Keep it light, Maddie.
whoa. So I say Nvidia will go and hold the VWAP. But I didn't expect that hell by the penny, you see? Like, look at that touch at the VWAP.
Well, I think Spy did something similar as well.
Yeah, let's look at SPY because it's look at more funky on the SPY for sure, but yeah, but it still did it. And with confirmation of saying, no, we want to go higher. Higher. Oh, higher. Mr. Loba Loba. What's up?
¿Qué lo que?
Que lo que?
¿Qué lo que?
Tú lo ave, tú lo ave.
¿Qué lo que?
Nico.
Nico?
It's a song that we have in DR that is very old.
Mm-hmm.
And I think he's the guy that made the Que Lo Que the most famous. Probably. I'm not sure about that, but probably is.
You think? Yeah.
I
I don't know that song.
I'm gonna play it for you, but I'm gonna mute everything. Let's see. All right, we are back. Let's see how we do. I'm glad I hold my things on NVDA. And even like it's not doing a lot, but that Amazon, I cannot type properly today. Amazon, yeah, there we go. Look at what a beautiful tray. I went too small probably on that one, but it's okay. I didn't want to be trouble on that too. So.
Mm-hmm.
And like again, why did I pick that little tray on Amazon? That's why I say you are destined to take crappy trades if you are not willing to do your job. But I went to look alpha level, how close we are to the alpha level, and we were right there. And I say in the streaming, the best price at that time was 206.06, like 226.06. But I say it won't offer it. If I am right about this level, it shouldn't go to 226.00. And I bought like very little share here. And like, but that's what I'm saying. Like, we do good, then we say, I don't have to look at the level. I know this shit too much, you know. So it's just it's trading. You know, trading is one of the most fantastic things that I have done in my whole life. But like, whenever we get to be
short of getting married, having kids.
Of course. Like, well, that's different. That's not comparable. So, yeah, you're funny. You are very funny.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I love you the way you are, so it's okay.
Thank you. Oh, me too.
Oh, I know you required as much patience as I required, so.
Ay. Oh, Davey's on fire today, people. I should be calling his work and warning him.
I didn't sleep too well yesterday, and I think I have zero filters today, so I don't know. Around the world. Oh my gosh! Look at her badge. Her badge.
A badge. Her badge. Her badge.
My badge. Your badge. Around the world.
Well, Davey.
We both.
I'm really looking at that 620.21 there for SPY. Holy cannoli. Talk about being stuck there at that level. I've been looking for stocks to be reversing, the ones that are high. The levels that I have on them, so I've traded CCL.
Mm-hmm.
And for me, 31.20 is the top there, but it seems to possibly go to 31.50. I'm looking at SPY. Seems like SPY, same thing. It keeps reacting to that level, but I believe that we want to go through when I'm looking at the RSI. So, you know, I only took one short, and that was CCL, and I took it at 31.10, but it just stays there, right? So
you got out?
It got me out of break even. So, you know what? I'm looking at it. You know, the MACDs did go down, but the RSI is still strong, and it's still reactive, retesting again 31.20, and for SPY it's 680.20, and it's there again, but it seems like we've got some players here that would like to push it through. There it goes. There we go. Okay, so SPY finally went through.
And as we say, watch out, people, for this afternoon, because it's gonna be intense after 3. So I think it's officially 3:30, but since 3, just watch out. You know, like you see the reaction that already. Like, I mean, these people buying that much right in front of those options liquidation is just gonna be insane, you know. So watch out for that, and yeah, let's see where
So-
we get to.
Did you want to wrap it up, Davey?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. So I don't have much trades today, but like we did fantastic. So this is a overnight trade here that I had from very low here. So I partial here, partial add, and now I want to see it breaking above that. And yeah, that was a green trade, pretty good trade.
Good
So
job.
remove, add, let's see where it wants to go. So and then I took Amazon. I cannot type Amazon correctly. I don't know why. Dyslexia is going on there. So this one here, I went long here because it was a good price. So and unfortunately, I bought 2 little shares. So
There we go.
this is going good. So it's doing fantastic. So let's see where it wants to go. And yeah, long here. I should be partially in there or maybe coming all out. But that's all for me. Green day again. So 2 green days in a row.
I like it. I like
So,
it.
what about you, Marie?
So I traded CCL and INTC. So,
Which one you want to do first?
Sure, let's go INTC. That was the first trade that I took. So INTC, I went in at 37
Look at you.
for a long. I took a partial at 37.20. Took another one at 37.30. Took another one at 48. I added on the pullback, then took partials on the pop, added on the pullback 37.25, took the partial on the pop, and got out at break even. So I'm glad. I wouldn't have been able. I didn't want to take a loss to the pullback, and I didn't go back in. What I did is I went to Rivian. So I saw that INTC was in Rivian. Sadly, I did not stay in.
Yeah, my prediction is that Rivian gonna squeeze, but it's gonna squeeze over afternoon.
So I went in at
Maybe
$21.
$15. Oh no, 15 28. Sorry, 28. Maybe $28.
Okay. I went in at 21.40 and I got out with 1R at 21.70 and that's it. And sadly then it and when you're looking at 21.70 it pulled back, consolidated for a while, but then obviously popped. Right now I'm looking at 22.50 on Rivian, so that was a and now I'm just looking at because that one there, CCL, when it's going to reverse, it's going to be a big one. And I'm really looking, I keep monitoring it, 31.20. If it goes through that, that means that the trend, that resistance at 31.20 is now support. So I will walk away.
All right. Okay.
But we'll see what it does. So for me, it's green day. Not crazy, but green.
Nice. Hey, that's the point. We get little by little there.
Yeah, hey, we get green, right?
Some days you make a lot. Some days you make, not much. Flat. Flat is better than losing. So and yeah, for sure. So let's keep it going. And I have a little bit more confidence today. But I really, like I say, yesterday was my first day. My first green day since Friday. So it's not a lot. I think it's actually Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday. And yeah, 4 days red in a row. So it feels like if it was an eternity. But yeah, we're going to have to keep it going, So that's it for today, as I say. I hope everybody have a good day, a weekend. Would you like to add anything else? And
That's it.
yeah, so enjoy your day. We're gonna be back Monday, and hey, next week is Christmas. Let's have nice holidays.
Yeah, we'll come back with you to tell you, hey, by the way, this is when we're going to be off.
Nice. Cool. So have
Have
a good
great
one, everybody.
weekend.
Bye.